Hello. Welcome. Have a wonderful day. Dear all, today we are learning English for alphabets letter A to Z. We will start our English class for fruits. Fruits names start with I. All the fruits name that starts with I are listed here. You will get a chance to improve your fruits vocabulary. It will be a wonderful lesson for beginners. Must read fruits that start with I. Fruits names start with I. Ikako. Indian gooseberry. Indian prune fruit. Indian mango. Inga idyllis fruit. Indian hog plum. Ilama fruit. Ice apple. Indian jujube fruit. Imbi fruit. Indian fig fruit. Ice cream bean fruit. I. C. A. C. O. Ikako. Ikako, a small tropical fruit native to Central America, is becoming increasingly popular with health-conscious individuals. This sweet and tangy fruit has been found to be rich in essential vitamins and minerals like vitamin C and potassium. It is also high in antioxidants, which can help protect the body from free radical damage and reduce inflammation. I. N. D. I. A. N. G. O. O. S. E. B. E. R. R. Y. Indian gooseberry. Indian gooseberry, also known as amla, is a fruit native to India, popular for its medicinal properties and health benefits. The small green fruit is sour in taste and packed with nutrients, such as vitamin C, iron, calcium, and phosphorus. It has been used in Ayurvedic medicine for centuries to treat infections and boost the immune system. I. N. D. I. A. N. P. R. U. N. E. F. R. U. I. T. Indian prune fruit. Indian prune fruit is native to India and is a type of plum. This small, round fruit has a vibrant purple color and sweet flavor. It contains high amounts of vitamins A, B1, B2 and C as well as minerals such as calcium, magnesium and iron. Commonly used in Indian cuisine for its sour-sweet taste, this versatile fruit can also be baked into cakes or made into jams or jellies. I. N. G. A. E. D. U. L. I. S. F. R. U. I. T. Inga idyllis fruit. Inga idyllis, commonly known as the ice cream bean, is an exotic fruit native to South America. With its creamy texture and sweet taste, the ice cream bean has become a popular snack among many people around the world. Inga idyllis is a small legume with thin pods that grow on evergreen trees located in tropical environments. Inside each pod are several seeds surrounded by fleshy pulp, which has a sweet flavor similar to vanilla ice cream. I. N. D. I. A. N. M. A. N. G. O. Indian mango. The Indian mango is a deliciously sweet and juicy fruit that is prized for its unique flavor. This popular variety of mango has been cultivated in India for centuries, and it continues to be one of the most important fruits in the country today. Rich with vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and fiber, the Indian mango has many benefits for human health. I. N. D. I. A. N. H. O. G. P. L. U. M. Indian hog plum. Indian hog plum, also known as ayam in India, is a juicy and delicious fruit that has been part of Indian cuisine for centuries. These small yellowish-green fruits were once a favorite amongst the royal households and are now widely available throughout the country. I L A M A F R U I T. Alama fruit. Alama fruit is a unique and exotic fruit that is gaining popularity among health-conscious individuals. Native to tropical regions of Central America, the Alama fruit has an oblong shape and leathery skin similar to an avocado. Its flesh is firm and yellow with a tart, acidic flavor that can be enjoyed both fresh or cooked. I C E A P P L E. Ice apple. Ice apple, also known as nangu, is a refreshing summer fruit found in many parts of India. This spiky fruit bears an uncanny resemblance to the common apple, but with a much softer texture. It has a sweet and delicate flavor that makes it a great addition to any meal or snack. I N D I A N J U J U B E F R U I T. Indian jujube fruit. Indian jujube fruit, known for its amazing health benefits and deliciously sweet taste, is a popular snack enjoyed by people all over the world. This nutritious fruit has been used in traditional Chinese medicine for thousands of years due to its high levels of antioxidants and other vitamins and minerals. It's also a great source of dietary fiber and low in calories. I M B E F R U I T. Imbi fruit. Imbi fruit is an exotic fruit native to East Africa, specifically from Kenya and Tanzania. This unique fruit is an excellent source of nutrition, providing essential vitamins and minerals that are beneficial to the body. The imbi fruit has a bright yellow exterior with a juicy sweet center. It is described as having a flavor similar to citrus fruits, such as oranges or grapefruits. I N D I A N F I G. Indian fig fruit. Indian fig fruit, or Ficus carica, is a species of flowering plant native to Southwest Asia and the Mediterranean. This prized fig fruit has been a staple in many cultures for thousands of years, and today it is still widely used for its delicious flavor and health benefits. Indian figs are highly versatile fruits that can be eaten fresh or preserved through drying, canning, or fermenting. I C E C R E A M B E A N. Ice cream bean fruit. Ice cream bean fruit is a unique tropical fruit that has a flavor reminiscent of ice cream. Native to Central and South America, this small, sweet fruit can be found in the wild or cultivated for commercial sale. The outside of the ice cream bean fruit is similar to that of an oversized bean pod with a yellowish-brown coloration and small hair-like spikes. When cut open, the inside reveals white flesh surrounding an edible seed that is considered to be one of nature's most delicious treats.
Thanks for watching. We will meet next video. Good luck and goodbye. Please like, share, subscribe. Nandri. Vanakkam.